go up to length and power or whatever. And I'm here to tell you some basic safety rules for these 3 wrenches here, the torque wrenches. It's the clicker wrench, the dial wrench, and the beam wrench. Basically 3 basic safety rules for these 3 wrenches. Just to wear your protective eyeglasses, gloves optional if you want to, and make sure you always keep your tools clean, and always reset your dial wrench to 0 after you're done using it. I'm going to be going over how to use the clicker wrench, torque wrench. We'll need your wrench and your socket to match up the size of the nut that you're trying to tighten, or we can slide it on. You go into the nut that you want to tighten, and then when you go counterclockwise, you're going to hear clicking noises. I don't think you hear them, but you hear them. Then you pull back and tighten the nut. Again, you tighten. And once you feel it's tight enough, you're going to hear a click. There it is. Pull it out and start to tighten up. That's pretty much it. What is it? The beam torque wrench. In order to use this wrench, you need to apply a socket. And another socket on top of this one that fits the nut that you're working through. Then you apply it to the nut, and then once you get it on there good, you're going to tighten it, and then the scale right here tells you how much force you're putting and how tight it is. As you see, the numbers are going up.
I have a torque wrench. I'm going to show you how to use it on the car. So you got to set this thing to 50 pounds. And then you got to adjust it. And then you pick it up. And then you try it on the thing. And then when you hear it click, that's done.